Hey, good Tuesday morning, YouTube. Hugmeister's Garage. Part 4 of our 88 F-150. I got a few more things addressed on it. Got my new coolant temperature sensor in. That was the problem with that. So now the gauge works. And you can reach that from here. It's a son of a gun. But this is what I used. I used a universal on a long extension on a 3/8 ratchet, and if you reach down in under there you can feel it, pull the wire, and it came out pretty easy actually. The new one went right in and it fired right up. So we refilled the antifreeze, got that going. We got our new door bushings, our Dorman door bushings from Rock Auto. So both doors shut beautiful now. Put our new seat cover in. That looks a little better. Started messing around with the cap. We did get the other window in, and I put some stainless steel screws through it for now because the vents, they really messed up these formed hinges on this, so I'm just gonna keep it screwed shut. I'll probably through bolt it with a tamper-proof bolt later, but at least I got both the glasses to fit on both sides. So that cap, I still can't get over how nice shaped that old cap is, but still trying to figure out about the fuel sending unit. I rocked it back and forth and it moves, so maybe driving it'll loosen it up, or maybe I can get more gas in it. Say it just seemed like it didn't want to take it at the gas station. Maybe I'll try putting some in out of a can and see if that does any different. And our cap hardware, I had to take these off. They're all bent to hell, and I re-drilled them and re-riveted them. Ordered a rod, locking rod for this, and a new handle. And we're waiting for our tailgate inlays to show up so I can just throw the tailgate back on, but I'll probably just put it on. They sent them to California instead of New York, so those decals are going to have some miles on them. But there we go, coming along.